Okay, so now you're gonna go through a few examples in the textbook over here. So again, this is very simple. I really go through quickly. So for the first question, we're taking from example 1. Again, this should be very simple. Just have to convert the angles into degree. So this is radian, you convert into degree. Okay, so if you are radian, what do? You divide by radian, right? Very simple. Radian divide by radian. So this one divide by pi, multiply by 180 degree, which you should get 72. Okay, yep. That's it. This one also very simple. 2.25 divide by pi, multiply by 180 degree. Now this is a bit tricky because you have a pi over here. Yep, you can choose to use calculator value, just put a pi into it. But I think it will be even better for you to use the question given value, because sometimes it can cause deviation. It might cause a different answer, like a little bit, just maybe by 1 decimal places. And this can still be a wrong answer because sometimes the question would be very particular with the instruction, which you should use their number, and by the calculation it must be this particular answer. Okay, so with that you can actually sub 2.25 divide by 3.142, then you do the calculation. Again, after all the calculation, you should get yep, you should get 2025 over 30142 times 180 degree, you should get 128.9. Okay, that's it. Next one, let's talk about the next part. We talk about the inverse of it. We convert into pi, okay, into radian. So why I cannot move? Wait, hello, wait. Hello, okay. So 40 and 50, okay, 40 and 100, this one also very simple. Again, if you have angle, you divide by angle, right? Divide by degree, you divide by degree. So degree divide by degree, pi divide by pi, radian divide by radian. So yes, this one multiply by pi, which you should get 2/9 pi. You can see over here that indeed want you to put it in terms of pi, so you can just put in terms of pi. If possible, add a unit radian. Okay, that's it. Next one, 150 over, again, typically divide by degree. Degree is 180 degree, and then times pi, you get 5/6. Sorry, what? 5/6 pi radian. Okay, yes. Right, next one. Now we talk about the other one. What is the question? How is it different over here? Now we can see that sometimes it will be easy for you to express in the rate in terms of in terms of pi radian, because it's just give you a good a good decimal point over here. But let's say we try with this number, 110 degree 30 minutes. What is this? Yeah, you can go to calculator. You can actually press this. It's possible to press this 110. You go to, again, I'll try to where is this? Wait, I also need to try to go to somewhere in the 左边 left side, in the middle. You should be able to see this symbol, dot, comma. Yeah, so basically just use that. So first you have 110 dot, and then 30, you put the same symbol again, you will get another minute over there. Okay, then with that again, we do the simple calculation over here, times pi. Yep, correct. And then with that, you will then be able to get the answer, 1.929 radian. 1.929 radian. Okay, if it appear in terms of degree, right, just press the what? Press the decimal button. Just press to convert it to decimal. That's it. Okay, yep, that's it. Last one, we have, again, typically 320 divide by degree, multiply by pi. 320 divided by 180, 16/9 radian. Okay, sorry, pi radian. But I think it didn't specify you put it in terms of pi, right? So if you want, you can actually convert this straight away into into decimal point, which would be this one, multiplied by, again, the given value is 3.142. So 3.142, you get 5.586. Again, you can use the calculator value, but I highly recommend to use 3.142, because this is the one that again, it might sometimes, again, depends on question, depends on the type of number you are getting, but it can cause deviation, especially when you have many steps forward. You can even cause a larger deviation at the end. So yeah, make sure you try to use the one given, use the value given. That will be the best. Okay, now I think this is really simple. I will also just quickly go through a few of the other example over here. So again, now you can pause the video by yourself if you want to stop and copy anything. Okay, cool. So like over here, Why is that two number? Okay. So yeah, let's go through this together also. Let me get the answer by my side so I can kind of cross check. Yep. So that should be simple lah. Yeah. Okay. Right. So first of all, again, pi over 8 radian. What does it mean? Pi over 8 divided by pi. Okay. Now I hope you can really make sense now. When you have pi over 8, how come you divide by 180? That's impossible, ma. Of course, if you divide by pi, you get rid of the pi, you become what? This times 180 degree. So simple. It's just 22.5. Okay, that's it. Yep. Now repeat. This one, pi divide by pi, multiply by 180 degree. So basically 3/4 over 180 degree, which is 135. Okay, again, typically moving on, 0.5 over pi times 180 degree. Now there is an issue over here. What is the value of pi? Try to use the value given, 3.142 as in the question. Sometimes they will give you 22/7. Sometimes they might give you 3.1421. Again, depend on the cases, but use the answer, use the value given, that would be the best. Okay, yep. So 0.5 over 3.142 multiplied by 180, you get 28.64 degree. Okay, lastly, 1.04 radian over pi times 180 degree, you get, again, you remember to sub this as 3.142, 1.34, divided by this one, multiplied by, 180 degree, yep, 9.58. Okay, usually degree we keep it to 2 decimal places, usually, but radian we usually keep it to like 3 to 4 lah, just to make it more precise. Okay, yeah, and also that actually you have a choice to retain this in, you know, the very degree form, okay, which is not really important, but you can do that. Just press the same button you had just now. You can convert this to 59.34 minute, 40.59 degree. Okay, I think it's called second, but anyway, yeah, basically this is how you can break it down. Okay, but this is not compulsory. Yes, okay. And again, I will go very fast because this is really simple. Yeah, like next one, also very simple. Just okay, wait. Yeah, just do the same thing over here. This is the ballet. This one over 180 times pi. In terms of pi, so we keep everything. This is pi over 10, right? Right. If you want to put a unit. Next one, 120 divided by 180. This is times pi. This is 2 over 3 pi radian. Next one, 225 over 180. 225 over 180. This is 5 over 4 pi radian. Lastly, 300 over 180 multiplied by pi. This is 5 over 3 pi radian. Okay, that's it for this one. Yep. Okay, again, I'll move quite fast. You can pause yourself if you want. Okay, but yeah, I think this should be very simple to calculate. Okay, cool. Next one, next question. We have, do you have, you still have question now? We still have question. Okay, cool. Let's look at the next question. Okay, again, should be quite simple. Basically just conversion, a lot of conversion here and there. So this one, you are having into degree. So yeah, again, divide by pi, multiply by this. 105 degree. Next one, 1.31, 1 and 1 over 3 over pi times 180 become, again, I just do your math. Okay, should be quite fast. 2 over pi times 180 degree. Remember pi, you put what value? You put 3.142. 2 over 3.142 times 180. 114.58. Lastly, this one, divided by pi, multiplied by 180 degree. 274.98. Okay, that's it. Again, I will go fast because this is really simple. I don't want to waste too much time over here, so you can pause the video yourself if you need to, do properly or whatever, but this is the brief procedure. Okay, yep, okay. Lastly, let's talk about, okay, that's not the question. Okay, cool, next question. Okay, again, very simple. Yeah, just convert. And they want to put into 3 decimal places. Remember this, take note of the question, 3 decimal places. 76 over 180 degree times pi. Again, remember pi is 3.142. Let's just put 3.142. So 1.327 red. Next one, again, like I said, the procedure is the same thing, just divide by 180 degree, multiply by pi, 3.142. 2.426. Next one, 2.5 over 180 degree times 3.142. 3.534, sorry, 535. Make sure you see clearly what the so-called what is it called, carry over there. Okay, yeah. And finally, yes, the nearest digit. What's it called again? Yeah, the nearest digit. Basically, make sure you don't write the last digit incorrectly because of the 进位, because of the carryover. Okay, yeah. And finally, this one over 180 degree multiplied by 3.142. Again, you should be in decimal places. So why is it not giving me decimal places? Hey, hold up. Once again, 3, this one, divide by 180 times 3.142. Wow, this is a bug. They can't let me convert this to. Oh, interesting. But yeah, in that case, I can try to. Okay, what is a bug over here? Oh my god, what? Yeah, why calculator like this? Okay, it's okay. If you really want to convert it to degree, you can just kind of okay. For now, what I'm getting over here is I'm getting this. So I can't convert it to degree. I don't know why. To decimal places, sorry. So what I can do, I believe there are methods, but I think the simplest method over here, just try to type this in again. 535. 19.27, and type this in, and then you convert. Still cannot. What happened? Oh my god, what? Hey, what like this? It's okay, calculator bug. Then we can just let's just convert the 320 first. We convert this first lah. Then you can convert. Make sure it is in decimal point. In that case, we can 32. Wait, sorry. I think my calculator was operating in Radian format. Is that the reason? Did I do anything wrong before this? Oh my god, wait, let me check. Yeah, I forgot my calculator was in Radian. You see, that is why I said always check clearly your calculator. It might be giving you Radian, not the correct mod. Okay, I think it was correct here. Hey, was it correct here? Was this correct? 1.929. Where is this? Oh my god. Example, I think it was correct. 1.92, was it correct? Yeah, correct. This was correct. Then this one, is it correct? Wait. Okay, let me try again. Okay, radian pula. Angle, degree. 10. I think doesn't matter though actually, but what is this part? It's okay. It's new to me also, but like I said, let's just try to convert this. You see, this is actually 320.320, and then 1667. Okay, you can try to convert this into degree first, and then you do the calculation, which might be simple. Yep, might be simpler. So might be able to bypass the whatever bug lah. Okay, 5.589. Is this the correct answer? Where's the answer? Yeah, correct. Radian. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Again, by the way, if you want to know, again, this is not in your syllabus, but if you want to know what does it mean, this essentially mean 10 over 60, because this is under minute. This is minute. So in 1 minute you had 60. Sorry, in 1 hour you have 60 minutes. So yeah, this is the idea over here. This is in 1 degree you have 60 minutes, which means you are taking about 10 minutes over here, which is 1 over 6. So you can actually express this as what? You can actually express this whole thing as 320 1 over 6 lah, essentially. Okay, yeah, which is 320 1.1667. Okay, last question. Let's quickly wrap this up. Last question, this one. Okay, again, very simple. 73 over 180 times 3.142, the pi. $1.274. Next one, 118 over 180 times 3.142. 2.05 or 2.060. I think they wanted yeah, I think they didn't say anything, but usually the common in agreement is 3 to 4 decimal places, huh? That's the usual case. Okay, yeah. So radian, okay. Next one, 150.5 over 180 degree times pi. .627 radian. Lastly, 220 over 180 times 3.142. 3.840. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this whole thing. Okay, and I think last thing to say over here, is it a must to write the 0 over here? I would say not really, but like I said, the convention usually will try to keep it to 3 to 4 decimal places just to make it more accurate, more standardized, and more, better looking like it's in mathematics. So I think you can do that if you want, but I think it doesn't matter. Okay, cool. That's it. Right, so if all good, that is all for the very first part over here. We have talked about the entire conversion of angle between degree and radian. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much and see you.